Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to share airtime from one Glo line to another Glo line. And this is promised to be a step-by-step guide. You don't need to install any app before you get it done. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is open up your dialer. Then dial star 321 hash, hit on send on your Glo line. Next thing you need to do is to click on here and then dial 6, hit on send. Then it's going to take you right here. To share airtime with other Glo number, please dial star 13 star 1 star the Glo number, the amount, the pin. By default, you have this pin right here. So what we want to do here is to simply make sure we go ahead and dial star 131 star the Glo number, the amount, then star the pin and hash. So I'm going to cancel this. Then I will dial star 131 star the Glo number, then the amount, then star, then default pin, then hash. So once you dial everything, hit on send on your Glo line. 200 naira transfer from your account to this particular account. You can see it right here. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Glo line, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.